Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Omila Okosi, the Agile Analyst. Today's video, we're going to learn how to connect your Google Forms to Microsoft Excel as a live page. This means whenever somebody fills your Google form, it gets automatically updated on your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Sounds interesting, right? I'm going to walk you through how to get that done. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. First, you're going to create your Google form. Basically, whatever details you want to collect from your customers. Next, we're going to assume you have shared the Google form link and your clients have already filled that form. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to fill them myself. So I'm going to make two entries. Next, we're going to view it in a spreadsheet. This is the Google spreadsheet. We're viewing the data right now, but we want to connect this spreadsheet to Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Whenever people fill the Google forms in the future, it's going to be updated on a Microsoft spreadsheet. To get this done, we're going to click on the file menu, click on the share button and select publish to web. Here you're going to leave it as the entire document. You're going to select this as Microsoft Excel. Scroll down, hit publish. Copy this link. You can close this page. Now you go to Microsoft Excel and open up a blank worksheet. On the data tab, you're going to click on from web. Now, you're going to enter the URL link you've copied from the Google spreadsheet, paste it here, then say connect. Give it some time, it's going to load up. Now you're going to see the tables you have on your Google Sheet. Next, you select and say load. We're not going to do transform because we're not interested in cleaning the data set or trying to make adjustments to it for now. So we're going to load it directly. Give it some time and it's going to pop up on your Excel spreadsheet as this. Now, let's go over to the Google form and fill one record and check if it's going to be updated on our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to fill this record right now. Submit. In order for us to see the updated record, we need to refresh. This means every time you refresh, if somebody has filled your Google form, the record is going to appear on your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. For you to refresh, just right click and click on the refresh button, give it some time, and voila, the record has been updated. I hope you find value in this tutorial. Do well to practice and let me know how it comes up for you. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Bye for now.